I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essentials, pick your one tool and keep it visible. Once chosen, capture 3 anchors immediately: who, topic, and a quick timestamp, so context stays intact. Then write a one-line summary sentence that explains purpose. Make it a command or question. Do this in the first 20-30 seconds. This prevents fuzzy recall and makes everything actionable. Keep handwriting legible or use short abbreviations that you will understand later. Now organize what you captured into a clean structure. Create one heading, then use short bullets beneath it, 3 to 5 words each, to record facts, actions, or insights. Once done, tag anything needing follow-up with a single symbol like a star, question mark, or exclamation point so they jump out. Make sure to preserve sequence and highlight decisions versus facts. If you're using an app, quickly create one list per topic. If paper, draw a margin for symbols. Finish by spending a focused 60-90 seconds to review and convert raw bullets into action items. You will remember less later. Once done, write one next action per follow-up symbol so you can act immediately. If notes are messy or illegible, transcribe the key lines into your main tool the same day. This rescues meaning and creates a searchable record. If anything went wrong, re-listen or ask one clarifying question within 24 hours to fill gaps and avoid errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.